What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a businessman. He is a businessman. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? She is a homemaker. She is a homemaker. Do you get along with your siblings? Do you get along with your siblings? Yes, we are close. Yes, we are close. Do you spend time with your family? Do you spend time with your family? Yes, especially on weekends. Yes, especially on weekends. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Rohan. My best friend is Rohan. How long have you known your best friend? How long have you known your best friend? For 5 years. For 5 years. What do you like about your friends? What do you like about your friends? What do you like about your friends? They are honest and helpful. They are honest and helpful. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Reading and listening to music. Reading and listening to music. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. Yes, I like football. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Titanic. Titanic. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Pop and classical. Pop and classical. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing? A little bit. A little bit. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? I play games or go out. I play games or go out. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? What kind of TV shows do you watch? What kind of TV shows do you watch? Comedies and dramas. Comedies and dramas. Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad? Not yet, but I want to. Not yet, but I want to. What's your favorite holiday destination? What's your favorite holiday destination? The beach. The beach. How do you usually travel? How do you usually travel? By bus or train? By bus or train? What do you take when you travel? What do you take when you travel? Clothes, camera, and money. Clothes, camera, and money. Do you like nature? Do you like nature? Yes, I love nature. Yes, I love nature. Where would you like to visit? Where would you like to visit? Japan. Japan. What's your dream vacation? What's your dream vacation? Europe tour. Europe tour. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. My favorite food is biryani. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is tea. My favorite drink is tea. Do you like fast food? Do you like fast food? Sometimes. Sometimes. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. My favorite season is winter.